This tiny kitten sat at the window, lightly tapping the glass with his tiny paws. He stayed calm and unbelievably adorable, almost pleading for anyone walking by to notice him. But before we continue, if you think this cat deserves all the love, make sure to hit like and subscribe, and drop a heart in the comments if you'd take care of this adorable little one. But the moment someone finally slowed down to look, he did something so unexpectedly sweet that it stopped them in their tracks and instantly revealed what he truly wanted: a real family and a place to finally call home.